you want to save time and get paid automatically, in this video I will show you how to automate client billing in GoHighLevel. So invoices and payments happen without you lifting a finger. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link of GoHighLevel, which is double of the official 14 days, and you can get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So don't miss that, and let's get back to the video. So once you are inside in your GoHighLevel account, just click on this payment here. Then you can see there is a setting button and click on this. Now head over to this payment setting. Okay, then you can see there is an option for the estimated. Then you can see it's saying the estimate expire after dash days. So you can set that days here, and I am keeping it as it is. Then click on this save. So after saving this, just head over to this automation. Okay, just give it time and click on this create a workflow, then scratch, like start from scratch. Now just give it a name, payment invoice, then click on this add trigger, then search for the member, or you can go with this, the form submitted. Okay, so this is the basically your form for the membership. Now filter this, add on filter, and let's say this is the form which is for the our paid members. So who submit this form to buying the membership, they will only get this message after 1 month. Okay, so we just define this, then click on this save trigger, and then click on this little plus icon here and just search for this wait, because we will send this after 1 month, because basically in general the membership is renewed after 1 month. Okay, so just give it a time delay, set the day and click on this 30, then click on this save action. Now click on this plus icon here, the little plus icon, and search for the invoice here. Okay, send invoice from user, the team member 1, or you can select another one if you have. Then you can change the name, but I'm keeping as it is. Then you can select the invoice template. If you have any, then you can see there, but if you don't have any invoice template like me, then you can create a invoice. So to do that, just go to the, let's save this and let's go to the payment, then just click on this plus icon here, new, then click on this new invoice to create your invoice template here. Then select the customer, let's say this one. So this is the invoice number, the date and the due date. Okay, so let's say you want to add the product, then you can add this product. Like for this is the invoice template. We have done all of this thing. If you want, then you can add the tax percentage or this thing. We are not going to do that. Then after doing all of this thing, I'm going to save this. Okay, now we have to convert this invoice into a template. To do that, just click on this 3 button here, or the 3 dot here, and you can see there's an option to convert to template. Click on this. See, this is the template. I'm just keeping as it is. Then click on this save to save this template. Okay, so it's already saved as a template. You can see the new template, and just open the same automation or same workflow we have created earlier. Okay, we are just head over to the same workflow we have created. So if someone submit our form of the member form, we have filtered this. The form is this one, the membership form. Then it will send a email for the invoice, but it will take time for the 30 days for the membership timing or the renew timing. Now after that, now click on this little plus icon here and search for the send invoice. So you can see there is an option for the new template we have created earlier. So set this template, and you can select the team member here, like this, from user, your team member. Then click on this channel here, and you can see there is 3 options, the email and text, they both. Then only email and only text. I want to send this as a email, then select this email and click on this save action. And that's it basically. Now it will automatically send the invoice to the member who is joined as a member in our paid course or any product after 30 days. That's it basically. This is how you can do that. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.